Ebra Nana Addo Akufo Addo Ghana mampani ede na probo no kokopie mu e wo Bolgatanga de koboko kwantempon ne so a wode ahye contract fo nsa eye Ministry of Roads and Highways so wo nhwe no mu ntwa ekwan no kama na ehyen akwani abedie nsam so ntumi mfa ne ntuma pe mfra yie e wo Bolgatanga de koboko kwantempon ne so wo kire se ebeye te se 109 kilometers kwantempon e na wode ahye contract nsa se wo mo enye na eno e na wo mampani kokopie mu wo hono no eye contract fo wodi adwuma no ahye omo nsa ne engineers no ebo ne enchiremu se adwuma ne de wo muguso a eye pa na sisi a wo matimi atwa be se 25 kilometers a no de wo mu awie ne kama na aka be se 84 kilometers ai no so wo mu behwe na afi wo matimi agu ekwan ne so ma ekwan ne so afa ne ntoma pa ede fra yie pa wo mu anu esi ye ape na wo mampani ede ba beto Ministry of Roads and Highways eni afi contract fo a wodi adwuma no ahye omo nsa se wo mu nhwe na afi wo mu ma ekwan ne so adwuma wo mu ye wo so no enkwa no wawa na kwani abedie nsam so no etimi akoyie e wo brono ne so.
This project is supposed to have the first 2 kilometers from Bolga to be dollarized, asphalted, and then it turns into, a single carriageway. Roughly.
Well, this cannot be the issue of the contract.
No.
It cannot be there.
You see?
Surely, I know.
Yes, it's not for the contract, but I want them, Mr. President, to understand why the payment, the background, so that they will know why the payment is not coming. And so at the moment, and I have discussed with them, I have informed the managing director to address the payment issue. We have to work to transfer it to GOG, and I'm being in talks with the Minister of Finance, and I mentioned it to him how to invite him, so that we sit down and address it. So payment issue, as is being mentioned now, is not the fault of our government now. So until that is addressed, the payment issue will continue to be a problem.
Were you aware of what he's saying when you began? Were you aware about the financing arrangement?
Yeah.
Aware?
Yes. As consultant, we are aware.
That it was an incident on the road fund and not on the general budget. Were you aware?
Yeah, we are aware as consultants.
You were?
Yes, that's no fun.
This is a disaster of a road.
Yes.
We have a contract to do it. We should do everything possible to facilitate them being able to work. The antecedent matters, I don't think there's anything we can do about it. You inherit a contract which was done against the procurement laws. You have a choice: either abrogate it or get on with it. Yeah, you decided to get on with it. So we can't go back on those matters. We just have to accept the reality and find a way to resolve the problem, because this is what I've just been on. It's something which is the most disturbing, to find an important arterial road like this. Bawku and Bolga, these are some of the important roads in Ghana, and it's in this condition. No matter, everything is getting so run down. So please, we have to sit down with them and try and find a solution as quickly as possible.
Okay.
Imperative.
Yes, Mr. President.